it more than met our expectations, because at the discovery stage, which again is quite a unique thing which MSSG brings to the table, I think management was made aware of the risks that they were carrying as a business. So that came out into the forefront. In terms of security, it's not just one of those things where we need to secure ourselves, but they actually see it as something that needs to get done because we need to be competitive out there. Level of awareness, that level of commitment from the senior management in terms of what needs to get done, so that this as a process gets properly implemented within the company. I think that awareness and sensitiveness has actually changed quite a bit in terms of their outlook.
Post the discovery, we obviously went into the phase 2. So I will basically repeat the same questions. So what were your expectations from MSSG as a team in going about in the phase 2, where we were actually creating the framework and training people and all?
The important thing in the second phase was to create some kind of a framework, some kind of an organization structure, and also ensure that in terms of some of the governance processes, that these portions are clearly laid out. The processes on how people have to deal with, so what exactly would be the structure, who would be responsible, who would be accountable for implementing, and also the processes by which we would keep reviewing this in terms of the progress on these issues from time to time. So all those things, I think, was the expectation that we outlook towards security itself as a subject, whether it was on the physical security side or even on the information security side. Clearly the awareness is pretty high. I can see it even when I now walk into the office today, and visibly I can see the differences. Importantly, once the project comes towards some kind of a closure, the kind of hand-holding that MSSG gives, otherwise a lot of times we've seen that people just walk off and expect the company to continue. But I think for us to continue the implementation and make sure that everything is in its place, the kind of hand-holding that we received even after the project was over, I think that was unique, and that's something we really appreciate. The teamwork which I've seen between the consultant and the people internally and amongst themselves, this is something which is really heartening for all of us. So I'm extremely happy about it. They also should look at MSSG, because I think in terms of the work that they did for Dr. Reddy's and the kind of results that they have delivered in the time that they have delivered and at the cost at which they delivered, I think it's something which is quite unique. The approach is methodical in terms of how they did it, the kind of engagement, the kind of capabilities that they bring to the table, and the capabilities that they build for the company whom they're working for. I think it's very, very good. So I would highly recommend anybody to engage MSSG. Highly rewarding and hugely beneficial. That's what I would say our experience has been with MSSG.